crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitt with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time to join me on my crafty adventure. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and that little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Also, please take a moment to leave a comment. Your comments allow more people on YouTube to see my video. And last but not least, please visit me on Instagram. Quite often, I will upload photos there that don't make it to YouTube. Today, I have another design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. We're going to be making this super easy yet elegant wallet and gift card holder. The paper collection that I'm using, you guessed it, is MINTAY Vacation. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies. I am using a digital file by Dreaming Tree. This is an SVG file and it is a free download. This is called their gift wallet. I will be sure to include a link in the description box below. When you download your file, you get this menu that tells you all of the supplies that you need, and here's a photo of the project as well as the individual pieces. This is the wallet and gift card holder that I've made. I have intentionally kept this flat because this is going inside another package, which you will see in a separate video. On the front as well as the back, I have adorned the corners with these white pearls, and the front clasp has this beautiful yellow rhinestone pearl. This is the back. This front closure has a magnetic closure. When I open it up, it reveals two compartments. The first compartment holds cash, and I just have a dollar bill inside here. And on the bottom is the gift card holder. So I have included a Starbucks gift card, and you'll see there are 3 different slots. This space here helps push up the gift card. So I can simply insert this here and then use my thumb to push up the gift card. And this closes just like so. You see how simple and easy this is? I'm going to grab my materials so that we can make this together. I'll be right back. I've gathered the materials to make my wallet and gift card holder. The paper that I'm using is MINTAY Vacation. I am using a digital SVG file by Dreaming Tree. This is a free file on their site. In the file, you will receive your wallet base, which looks like this. You will receive tabs that look like this. One will have a scalloped hole, the other will be solid. You'll have the inside of the wallet, and this is a little pocket. It has tabs on 3 sides. You'll have this piece, which is the insert for where you put your gift cards. And you'll have decorative mats that look like this. This will go on the front and the back of the wallet. You'll also need some type of gem or embellishment for the front of the wallet, and mini magnets. The first thing we're going to do is open up our wallet base, and we're going to glue this piece down, but before we do that, we need to attach the magnet. So I'm going to grab one of these magnets here. I'm going to stick this right here, right in the center, and I'm going to stick the opposite magnet on top of it, just like so. And then I'm going to close the wallet, peel off this sticker layer here, and close it down just like so. Now we have a fastener for our wallet. Now I can glue down this piece, and I can also go ahead and glue down the outer layers. This will be the front, and this will be the back. So when you glue it down, you want to make sure that it is evenly spaced. So I'm going to glue this down, and then I'll be back for the next step. Now we have our magnets glued on. We have the inner flap of this latch here, the front and the back covers glued on. Let's open it up. And we are going to glue down this pocket. This pocket has 3 tabs. You're going to put glue here, here, and here. And this is going to be attached just like so. Before we glue this down, I want to point out these little tick marks. There's a tick mark right here and right here on this upper part, and a tick mark right here and right here on this bottom part. This lets you know where to glue the pieces. So when I glue this down, I'm going to glue this, make sure it's centered, and I'm going to glue it right where those tick marks are. And for this piece, you notice you have 3 slots in this open area. To attach this, you're going to apply a thin layer of glue on the perimeter, here, 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 and here. You're not going to apply any glue in this center area, okay? So just on the perimeter, and you're going to glue this down, making sure that it is aligned right on the top, just like so. Okay, so go ahead and glue that down, and then we'll be back for the final phase. Now we have the inside, top, and bottom glued down. We are going to decorate the front of the wallet. So we have this piece here. This is going to go down right here. I have this little pearl and rhinestone embellishment that's going to go here, and then I'm going to add some pearls here in the corner. I'm going to finish embellishing this, and then I'll be back with the final reveal. This is my completed wallet and gift card holder. I really like the way it turned out. It's quite simple, but it's very elegant. I have adorned the outside corners with these little pearls, and in the center I have this beautiful rhinestone pearl, and on the back I've added in more pearls. This closure is magnetic. When I open it up, we have a pocket to hold cash. Because this pocket has a gusset, you can easily include more money in the back. And then on the bottom, you have your gift card holders. I've just included a Starbucks gift card. This is the first slot, and you have 2 more slots here to include gift cards. This concludes my review of my elegant yet easy wallet and gift card holder. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this project, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, be sure to watch my final video using the MINTAY Vacation Collection. This is going to be really fun. There will also be a special giveaway, so you don't want to miss it. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.